Well, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a second video today for the same type of board. The board is EBR77185601. It's used in a number of TVs like LG 60PB6650 and a lot of other models from the 60PB series. This is a different board that appears to belong to Randy FE, maybe somewhere else. Anyhow, those are fairly unique markings that must be RF, that's probably customer signature. The board was repaired and as you can see it's working. Again, the same black horizontal line as with the previous video that I made earlier today, and which you will see in many other videos that we have that show those boards working. And the board is working now. The reason for this video is first, customer can see it is working, and second, to tell the customer, as the listing warrants, that board has to be serviced along with the two buffer boards and have those capacitors replaced on them, otherwise they will burst and sometimes they will take down the YSUS board again. Because those buffers were not sent to us, we cannot be giving warranty for that board, but we can guarantee that it is working, and it is, as you can see. So that is all. Best of luck with your repairs, and hope we don't have to talk to you soon. Bye.